to discuss or to study about latitudes and longitudes. You have already studied some of the latitudes and longitudes that you will understand when we will go through this lesson. Okay, so what do you mean by latitudes? What do you mean by longitudes? And what are the uses of this latitudes? What are the difference between, as you have studied difference between maps and the globes in your previous chapter, so we will study or discuss about the difference between latitudes and longitudes. These all things we were studying or we were going to discuss from this chapter. Okay, Devosh, sit properly in the class. Devosh, where is your textbook? Sit properly. Yeah. Keep adjust to that. See, children. So latitude. Tell me about equator. Equator, is it horizontal or a vertical line?
But it's an horizontal parallel.
Yes. Equator. Answer to my question. Whether equator is horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal lines. Okay. Horizontal line. It also known as parallel lines, right?
Yes.
Is it? Yeah. So equator is a horizontal line, okay, which drawn around the middle of the earth. Okay, we have discussed about equator and we have discussed about prime meridian. Prime meridian, is it horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical line. Okay, prime meridian, it is an imaginary vertical line. Okay, so children, if these two position means the position or the vertical or horizontal, if that it is clear to you, it would be easy for you to understand what is meant by latitudes and which are the important latitudes which we have discussed, and what do you mean by longitudes? Okay, these all will be easy for you to study. I'll start the session and I will ask you the questions. That time you should have to answer. All others, please mute. Okay. Aditi, I have drawn a line on the middle of the globe. Okay, I have just drawn the picture of a globe and I have drawn a line on the middle of the globe. Can you answer me? What is this line?
Equator.
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 See, children, we could see the imaginary horizontal line. Okay, imaginary horizontal line. What do you mean by horizontal?
Sleeping lines.
Yes, straight line. Okay, that means parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. So the direction, you just remember this, the both end points of the earth means of the earth axis. This is, which pole it is? North pole. And here it is
South
south
pole.
and here it is east. Okay, yes, east, and here it is west. These are the four directions. Okay, these are the four directions. So we know that equator, it is an imaginary horizontal line, okay, which divides the earth into two equal parts. You have learned it about in the previous chapter. Is it, children?
Yes.
Okay, so children, this equator, okay, equator is an important latitude. Okay, equator is an important latitude. That means that we are drawing or we are marking many horizontal lines on the earth or on the globe to study more about earth. Okay, why we were using all these lines? We have discussed about equator, tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn, all the major important lines we have discussed. Okay, so why we were using all these lines, you know, children? To know more about Earth, to study, to learn about more about the Earth. Okay, so vertical lines and horizontal lines are used to study about Earth. Okay, to study about a particular place, we are using this latitudes and longitudes. So the latitudes, listen to me children, are the imaginary horizontal line. Okay, we are drawing many lines on the globe. Okay, so the horizontal lines, okay, the horizontal lines or the parallel lines, these are known as latitudes. Okay, is it clear to you? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
equator is an important latitude. Okay, so Kirtana, can you tell me which are the other important latitudes which we have studied?
Prime meridian.
Think about the direction.
Ma'am. And
Ah,
Tropic of Cancer.
can you say louder?
Tropic of Cancer.
Ah,
Tropic of
yes, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of
Capricorn.
Capricorn. Okay, why we described it as latitude?
Because
Let
they are
me.
horizontal.
Because they are horizontal lines. She said about prime meridian. Is it prime meridian is horizontal? Is it
No,
horizontal line?
vertical. It's
It is
vertical.
not horizontal line. It is vertical line. Okay. So children, listen to me. Sri Hari, listen to me. Children, the horizontal lines are called latitudes. Okay.
And so latitude is
Latitude.
horizontal. So longitude should be vertical.
Oh, that's what children first you study or first you learn about latitudes. Okay, why you were thinking means I mean, let me to clear the portion first about latitude, then we will discuss about vertical. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so the latitudes, okay, the latitudes, they are horizontal lines. So last, when we learned our previous chapter about globes and map, we have learned about many important latitudes. You have learned about many important latitudes. The horizontal line, okay, the horizontal line, that means these all are imaginary. Why we were using all these imaginary lines?
Ma'am,
Uh,
to study about the earth.
yes, to study more about Earth. Okay, to locate the position of the places. Okay, we are using this latitude and longitudes to know the position of the places. Okay, so what do you mean by latitudes, Nainika? We can't hear you. Unmute. Unmute. No, Nainika, it's not audible because you are muted. Okay, then Janvi, what are latitudes?
Latitudes are horizontal lines.
Very good. Excellent answer. Latitudes are the horizontal line. Okay, the horizontal line which are marked on the globe to study more about Earth. Okay, so tell me an example for the horizontal line, Niranjan. Which is the most important latitude, Niranjan?
Equator.
Equator. Okay, equator is an important latitude. Which are the other latitudes we have studied when we study our previous chapter, Manchima? Which are the other two important latitudes which we have discussed? See, Hari. Okay, Siddhi, tell me.
And they are Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn.
Excellent. Okay, they are Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so what do you mean by latitude? Is it clear to you, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
These
Yes,
are
ma'am.
the horizontal lines. Okay, so just remember the position. That means the horizontal line which is drawn around the earth. Yes.
Can I say one thing?
Yes. Tell me. Okay, children, so the horizontal line which is drawn around the earth, okay, which is drawn around the earth, that are called latitudes. Okay, that are called latitudes. Then what about longitudes?
Longitudes are imaginary. There is the vertical line.
Yeah,
Imaginary
the
vertical
vertical
line.
line which connect from north to south. Okay, that means the vertical in position. Okay, so these are horizontal line. This is vertical line. Okay. Okay.
And primary.
Yes. So you have learned. Okay, you have learned a vertical line, or we have discussed.
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
Risa, of course you can ask. Then that time you will be muted. Ask me. I don't know what is the problem with her audio. She is asking me something, and that time she will mute herself. See, children, so the vertical line, okay, the vertical line which is drawn on the globe, okay, that is being called as longitudes. Okay, so the horizontal line, latitudes, vertical line, longitudes. Okay, so what is the example for the vertical line?
Ma'am, primary.
Prime
Meridian.
meridian.
180 degree
Okay, yes, 180 degree meridian. Okay, yes, very good, children. You are excellent. See, children, the prime meridian, 180 degree meridian, all these are drawn vertically on a globe. Okay, so these are the example for the longitudes. Okay, these two are the example for the longitudes. Okay, so why we were drawing these latitudes and longitudes? To study about Earth,
Study.
to locate the places. Okay, to locate the places. And you know, children, these latitudes and longitudes are measuring by using degree. Have you heard this term?
Yes,
Degree.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the latitudes and longitudes are measured by using degrees. That means we have studied Earth is tilted. At what angle?
23.5
degree.
Yes, 23.5 degree. See, children, by using a small zero. Okay. Okay, so we will represent this degree, 23.5 degree, and also the direction in which they fall. But you will read this, children. Let me call Niranjan. Can you read this?
Yes, ma'am. 23.5 degree north.
Very good. Okay. See, children, 23.5 degree to the north. Okay. If I have written like this. Parvati.
5 degrees south.
5 degree the south. That means in which directions it fall. Okay, that means 25.3. What do you mean by this?
25.3 degrees south.
25.3 south.
Yes. Okay. What do you mean by this? By referring this S or south. What do you mean by that? It would be in
South.
yes, south. Okay, southern hemisphere. Okay, that means, or if it is N over here,
Should be north.
yes,
25.
north. Okay, so the latitudes. Yes, yes. So latitudes and longitudes are measuring by using degree.
Degrees.
Yes, it is measured by using degrees and also the direction in which they fall. That means 23.5 degree to the north,
North.
23.5 degree to the south.
South.
Okay, in which direction? Okay, it fall. So latitudes, see children, these are latitudes. This is
Longitude.
longitude. Yes, longitudes, longitudes, either two way you can pronounce. Okay, so these are the latitudes. That means the horizontal line. And this is vertical line. These are called longitudes. Okay, is that position is clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal line.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
it called? Diya. Horizontal lines are called
Latitude.
latitudes. Manas. What are vertical lines are called?
Longitude.
Longitudes. Okay, longitudes. Maria, which is an important latitude? Are you sleeping there?
No, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Can I say? Can you repeat the question?
Which is an important latitude?
Okay.
Sarah, tell me Sarah.
Equator.
Equator. Equator is an important latitude. Okay, then we are measuring latitudes and longitudes by using
Degrees.
degrees. Yes, we are measuring latitudes and longitudes by using degrees. Okay, and also the directions in which they fall. Okay, that means 23.5 degree to the north. Yes, 23.5 degree to the south.
South.
Okay, yeah, in which direction? Okay, it fall. And you know, children, this degree is used to means by a small zero. Okay, we are representing the degrees. Okay, that means 23.5 degree. Okay, degree by using a small zero, it would be called a superscript, right, ma'am? Superscript. Yes. So we are using a small zero and the directions, okay, to represent its means the latitudes and the longitudes. Okay, I hope about latitudes and longitudes, the position and what are latitudes, what are longitudes. I hope it is clear to you. Is it, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let me clear it with you whether you understood
Yes,
or not.
ma'am.
Hyra, tell me what are latitudes? Hyra? Hyra? Okay, Aditi, tell me.
Ma'am, latitudes are imaginary horizontal line.
Excellent. The latitudes are imaginary horizontal line which drawn around the earth. Okay, Diya, can you repeat?
Ma'am, latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines.
Yes, very good. Okay, imaginary horizontal lines. Okay, you know horizontal line. Don't be confused with the position. These are, okay, these all parallel. Okay, these are also known as parallels. Okay, so these parallel lines which is drawn around the earth to represent or to study more about Earth. Okay, that were called as latitudes.
Latitude.
Okay, then let me ask to someone, uh, Jenica, which is an important latitude. Tell me.
Equator.
Equator. Okay, equator is an important latitude. Then, Danvin, what are longitudes?
Longitudes are
Hmm,
an imaginary line,
Imaginary.
vertical line.
Yeah. Okay. Imaginary vertical line. Okay, Danvin, good. The imaginary vertical line which connects from North Pole to South Pole. Okay. Yes. Then let me ask. Tanvi, tell me some examples for this vertical lines. That means longitudes.
Longitude prime meridian.
Ah,
180
prime meridian and 180-degree meridian. These are drawn vertically. Yes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
These are drawn vertically. Okay. Then they were how we were measuring latitudes and longitudes.
Ma'am, I don't know.
I understood you don't know the answer because you were sitting means idle there, means you are not listening the class properly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Avantika,
can I say?
tell me how we were measuring the latitudes and longitudes.
degree.
Yes, by using degrees. Now is it clear to you, Devash?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the answer.
Degrees.
Okay, then the means how we were measuring? We were measuring the latitudes and longitudes by using the degrees. Okay, means and also we will means just focus the directions in which they fall. That means 23.5 degree to the north. What do you mean by that? 23.5 degree. Which direction? If it is S, it means that
North. South.
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 Okay, the
South.
direction is south. If it is N,
North.
north. Okay, so this means this horizontal, that means the latitudes and longitudes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask here. I could see some lazy guys. Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
what are latitudes?
Latitudes are
Hmm.
the horizontal lines.
Hmm?
The horizontal lines.
Horizontal lines. Okay, Ryan, tell me longitudes.
Longitudes are imaginary lines that from the north to the south.
South. Okay, that means what is the position then? Is it horizontal or vertical? You should have to answer that, Ryan.
Horizontal.
No, no.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Ma'am, vertical.
Ma'am, can I
Means
say?
I know clearly, but is it clear for you? Is it horizontal or it vertical? Is it clear for you? Tell me then.
Vertical line.
Ah, sure.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
sure?
Yes.
Okay, so the vertical line, okay, the imaginary vertical line. So the horizontal and vertical, don't be confused with that. If you feel confused about the horizontal and the vertical, everything will be confusing for you. Okay, so make sure that it is clear for you first. Then only we will have to study more about these important horizontals and also that means important latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so we have discussed about the important latitude, that is equator.
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 Children, have you started to study the question answers from the first chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it tough to study that one?
No, ma'am.
No,
It's
ma'am.
so
It's
easy.
really
No, ma'am.
simple.
It's easy.
So
so
I have told you after the seminar we will have a test on Friday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
MCQ test. Do you want to means you which
Ma'am.
test?
Ma'am, is that a class test?
Class test. MCQ
The
test.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we will be doing the Google form.
Yes. Google form. Okay. Children, listen to me. Then we are going to discuss more about. So we know that we have learned about latitudes, three important latitudes.
You mute.
It's easy, ma'am.
Tell me,
Okay, ma'am.
are you saying something? Then mute your audio and sit, please.
You mute.
Someone's audio it is not muted and it is disturbing. Okay, children. So we have discussed about important latitudes, or we have learned about important latitudes. Equator. Okay, so equator is an important latitude and it marks 0 degree on the globe. Okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. Equator, it is an important latitude that already we have learned about equator, which divides, okay, which is drawn around the middle or the center of the earth, which divides the earth into 2 equal parts, or which divides the earth into northern and the southern hemisphere. Okay, and it marks 0 degree on the globe. Okay, we have already discussed. Okay, that means in which direction? That means the latitudes and longitudes are measuring by using degrees. So the equator which marks or which drawn around the middle of the earth. Is it, children? Are you following me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is, and also you know, children, it is the longest latitude. These are all new idea or new information for you. It is the longest latitude.
Equator.
Yes, it marks 0 degree on the globe. Okay, and it is an important latitude. Okay, just underline this, all children. So equator, it is an imaginary horizontal line which drawn around the center of the earth. It is an important latitude. It is the longest latitude which mark 0 degree on the globe. Okay, then either side of the equator, we have learned about 2 other important latitudes which drawn either side of the equator. Which are they? Hello?
Ma'am, Tropic of Cancer and
Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In the northern hemisphere, it is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so this is equator which marks 0 degree, and the northern hemisphere it is Tropic of Cancer which mark 23.5 degree to the north. Okay, 23.5 degree to the north. And here on the either side, okay, 23.5 degree to the south, it is
Tropic of Capricorn.
Children, we have learned about the 3 important latitudes: equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah.
in the textbook there are two another longitude. Latitude.
Yes. Textbook.
In the textbook there are two another latitudes.
Tell me, Siddhi, it's not clear. Can you say louder?
Ma'am, in the textbook there are another two.
That we will discuss. First, I have told you children, why you are rushing to the points which we haven't discussed in the class? This is a... First you listen, study about, you have learned already. Okay, the important latitudes, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Today, you have learned, okay, you learned about the degrees. Okay, equator marks 0 degree on the globe. Okay, and Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree to the north. The other one 23.5 degree to the south. Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Learn about more. Okay, we will learn more about all these.